Hi friends, this is an interesting algebra question. We know that the value under square root must be greater than or equal to 0. Also, minus x greater than equal to 0. This implies x less than equal to 0. And if we combine both of them, we get x equal to 0. But this can't be true as 0 minus 0 can't be 10. So we know this equation will have no real solution. Let's look at complex solution. Take square root x as a. We get square root minus x as a minus 10. Next take the square. If a square root x is a, x will be a square. Divide the whole equation by 2. To get roots of a, use the formula minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4a into c division 2 into a. Square root minus 100 will be 10 iota. So the two values of a is 5 plus minus 5 iota. We know x is a square. That means 5 plus 5 iota square or 5 minus 5 iota square. This will give 5 iota square will become minus 25. Twenty-five and 25 will get cancelled both the sides, and the two values of x we get is plus minus 50 iota. But whenever you get the answer as a complex number, always put the values and check. If x is 50 iota, the value of square root 50 iota is plus minus 5 plus 5 iota, and for square root minus 50 iota, it is plus minus 5 minus 5 iota. For this to be 10, this can only be 5 plus 5 iota, and this minus of 5 minus 5 iota. So it does not take all the values of square root of 50 iota. Similarly, it does not take all the values of square root of minus 50 iota. So that's why this question has no real or complex solution.